Welcome to the Animali's Fruit Series 2 in the Alphabet Pre-Kids School. Which sweet fruit grows on tall palm trees and starts with D? Can you guess? D is for dates. It's D. D is for dates.
D, dates so sweet. Tasty, chewy, yummy treat.
Dates can glow with magic lights.
D is for dates. Delicious, delightful, and dazzling. Nice!
D says do. D for dates. Let's learn more ABC fruits with Pre-Kids School. Which tiny purple fruit starts with the letter E? Can you guess? F says F for fig. Let's learn more ABC fruits with Pre-Kids School. It's E. E is for elderberry. It's E. E is for elderberry. E says eh. E for elderberry. Let's learn more ABC fruits with Pre-Kids School. Which sweet little fruit starts with F? Can you guess?
It's F. F is for fig. F is for fig. Fun to see. Come and learn the alphabet with me.
F से फिग, गुलाबी चमकदार, अंदर छुपी मिठास का प्यारा.
Figs are fun. Is for fig. Hooray, hooray! Come back to learn more letters each day.